Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Germany to acquire 8 MQ9B Sea Guardian drones from General Atomics Aeronautical Systems through NSPA. Germany has agreed to procure 8 MQ9B Sea Guardian remotely piloted aircraft from General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, with the acquisition executed through the NATO Support and Procurement Agency. The program also includes for certifiable ground control stations, and first deliveries are expected in 2028. The announcement was made by Germany's Federal Office of Bundeswehr Equipment, Information Technology and In-Service Support together with NSPA. Germany joins a growing group of NATO countries that have selected the MQ9B platform for its long-range, endurance and multi-domain capabilities. According to the company, the MQ9B Sea Guardian provides pole-to-pole satellite control and de-icing capabilities, enabling operations in cold climates. The aircraft is equipped with 2 multimode surface search radars for wide-area maritime surveillance and can be configured with an option for anti-submarine warfare. The platform also incorporates an in-house developed detect and avoid system that supports operations in unsegregated civilian airspace, allowing domestic use within Germany. In 2025, MQ9B became the first large remotely piloted aircraft to receive a military-type certificate from the UK's Military Aviation Authority, permitting operation without geographic restrictions, including overpopulated areas. We're thrilled that Germany has joined the list of NATO countries that have selected MQ9B Sea Guardian, said Lyndon Blue, Chief Executive Officer of General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. The proliferation of MQ9B in Europe delivers commonality between NATO countries, and for Germany, it will provide opportunities for interoperability with their fleet of P-8As. NSPA said the acquisition was negotiated under the MQ9 Support Partnership, which provides a contractual framework to support cooperation and procurement among allied nations. This support partnership demonstrates how NSPA enables efficient, effective and responsive multinational acquisitions for advanced, interoperable capabilities, said Ms. Stacey A. Cummings, NSPA General Manager, adding, "We are proud to support Germany in this strategic investment for maritime surveillance and security." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.